So sometimes on, you know, crappy combination locks like this Delsey 3-wheel, I don't even know what Delsey is, you can pull sort of the wheels and get a look at them at that space. And sometimes you can see a notch. There we go. You might be able to see that. There we go. You can see that on camera. You can actually see it better when I can't, which is frustrating. There we go. So 1 has a notch, 3 has a notch, and 8 has a notch. Huh, that's lucky. But that doesn't open it. So what I like to do is usually try flipping it. So let's see, 1, 3, and 8. There we go. So that gives our combination as 693, I guess. Nope. 683.